3, 2, 1.
All the best for the 5K run at the TCS Pitbull Live Corporate Challenge 24-25. Have an amazing start of your run and hope to see you, like Mohit said, next year in the 10K run.
All the best, everyone. All the best.
Remember your route map, don't be confused. You end here again at the gate 1 and you just walk in. Please don't go circling back, you'll get lost. We do have our volunteers and our security personnel to help you out. Enjoy the run.
All the best, everyone.
And thank you so much for dedicating yourself towards a noble cause. That is very valuable and very grateful to sacrifice your Sunday extremely in the morning at the park. So much for that. Enjoy and have a great run.